10 best places to visit in Sweden. Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to the mesmerizing land of Sweden. From picturesque cities to breathtaking natural wonders, Sweden has it all. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list of the 10 best places to visit in Sweden. Number 1. Stockholm. Stockholm, the captivating capital of Sweden, effortlessly blends rich history with contemporary charm, creating an atmosphere that is both grand and welcoming. Spread across 14 picturesque islands connected by a network of bridges, the city is a stunning mosaic of architectural marvels, from the medieval alleys of Gamla stan, the Old Town, to the sleek modernity of downtown skyscrapers. Stockholm's royal heritage is proudly displayed in the resplendent Royal Palace, while the city's innovative spirit is evident in its trend-setting design stores, hip cafes, and buzzing nightlife. Nature enthusiasts find solace in the city's abundant green spaces, like Djurgården, a serene island oasis housing museums, galleries, and a delightful amusement park. Stockholm's waterfront, adorned with colorful buildings and lively markets, adds to the city's allure, inviting travelers to embark on boat tours to explore the archipelago's beauty. Stockholm isn't just a destination. Number 2. Gothenburg. Nestled on the west coast of Sweden, Gothenburg is a city that effortlessly combines tradition with innovation. With its picturesque canals, leafy boulevards, and a vibrant cultural scene, Gothenburg offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and urban charm. The heart of the city lies in its Haga district, where 19th-century wooden houses house trendy boutiques and cozy cafes. Liseberg, one of Europe's most beautiful amusement parks, adds a touch of excitement with its thrilling rides and enchanting atmosphere, especially during the festive holiday season. The city's maritime heritage comes alive in the Maritime Museum and Aquarium, where visitors can explore the fascinating world beneath the waves. Beyond its urban delights, Gothenburg's natural surroundings are equally captivating. The southern Gothenburg archipelago offers a serene retreat with its charming islands, inviting visitors to unwind on sandy beaches and explore nature reserves. In essence, Gothenburg is a city that embodies the best of both worlds, a perfect harmony of cultural richness, culinary delights, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Swedish experience. Number 3. Kirona. Located deep in the Arctic Circle, Kirona is a mesmerizing town in northern Sweden renowned for its unique attractions and awe-inspiring natural phenomena. Most notably, it offers a front-row seat to the enchanting spectacle of the Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. During the winter months, vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple dance across the night sky, creating a magical atmosphere that captivates all who witness it. Aside from its celestial wonders, Kirona is also famous for the Ice Hotel, an architectural marvel entirely crafted from ice and snow. Every winter, artists from around the world gather here to sculpt intricately designed suites, an ice bar, and even an ice chapel, providing visitors with an unforgettable, albeit chilly, overnight experience. Additionally, Kirona offers a range of outdoor activities, especially during the winter season. Visitors can enjoy thrilling experiences such as dog sledding through pristine snowscapes and exploring the wilderness on snowmobiles. The nearby Abisco National Park, with its rugged mountains, frozen lakes, and majestic waterfalls, is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Number 4. Visby. Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled on the island of Gotland in the Baltic Sea, is a living medieval masterpiece that seamlessly marries history and natural beauty. Stepping into Visby feels like entering a time capsule, where cobblestone streets wind their way through remarkably preserved medieval buildings, creating an enchanting atmosphere that captures the imagination. Central to Visby's charm are its medieval city walls, a testament to the town's historical significance. These imposing walls, with their watchtowers and gates, encircle the town and provide panoramic views of the Baltic Sea. Inside these walls lies a treasure trove of medieval architecture, including the awe-inspiring St. Mary's Cathedral and the ancient ruins of St. Nikolai and St. Karen churches, each telling tales of Visby's storied past. Visby's enchanting allure extends beyond its architectural wonders. The town is renowned for its idyllic rose-covered cottages, charming cafes, and local artisan shops. During summer, the town comes alive with colorful gardens, lively markets, and outdoor festivals, creating a vibrant atmosphere that draws both locals and tourists alike. Number 5. Abisco National Park. Abisco National Park, situated in the pristine wilderness of Swedish Lapland, is a true gem for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. This natural wonderland, located well above the Arctic Circle, boasts some of the most spectacular and untouched landscapes in Sweden. At the heart of Abisco is the dramatic Abisco Canyon, through which flows the Abisco River. The canyon is surrounded by steep cliffs, creating a majestic and secluded atmosphere. One of the park's highlights is the Abisco Lake, a serene body of water nestled among the mountains, reflecting the beauty of the surrounding Arctic wilderness. During winter, the lake often freezes, creating a stunning ice-covered landscape that is nothing short of magical. Abisco National Park is renowned for its unique climate, often referred to as the Blue Hole of Abisco. Due to its location and topography, the park experiences remarkably clear skies, making it one of the best places on Earth to witness the mesmerizing northern lights, or aurora borealis. Visitors flock here during the winter months to witness this breathtaking natural light display in the Arctic night sky. Number 6. Malmo. Malmo, Sweden's third largest city, is a vibrant and multicultural hub that beautifully fuses tradition with modernity. Located at the southern tip of Sweden, Malmo is a city of contrasts, where historic charm meets cutting-edge design and diverse cultures converge. Malmo is a city that embraces its maritime heritage. The iconic turning torso, a twisting skyscraper that dominates the skyline, stands as a symbol of modern architecture and innovation. The Western Harbor area, once an industrial zone, has been transformed into a sustainable and eco-friendly district, featuring innovative buildings and waterfront promenades. Malmo's charm extends to its sandy beaches, like Ribersborg Beach, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the sun and sea during the summer months. The city's proximity to the picturesque Öresund Bridge, connecting Sweden to Denmark, adds to its allure, making it a gateway to exploring both countries. In essence, Malmo is a city that celebrates diversity, creativity, and sustainability. Number 7. Gotland. Gotland, a captivating island in the Baltic Sea, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, sandy beaches, and historical wonders. Its pristine beaches, with soft golden sands and crystal-clear waters, stretch along the coastline, making it a haven for sunbathers, swimmers, and water sports enthusiasts. The island's shoreline offers both lively beach scenes and tranquil coves, catering to various preferences and ensuring a relaxing seaside experience. However, Gotland is not only about sun and sand, it's also a place where history comes alive. The island boasts an incredible wealth of Viking relics, including ancient runestones, medieval churches, and historic sites like Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage listed town. Whether you're fascinated by Viking history, seeking relaxation on sandy beaches, or eager to explore nature's wonders, Gotland offers a perfect blend of cultural richness and natural splendor. It's a destination that caters to the curious adventurer, promising an unforgettable journey through time and the marvels of the natural world. Number 8. Jjmoch. Jjmoch, situated in the heart of Swedish Lapland, is a town rich in cultural heritage and natural beauty. Surrounded by vast forests, pristine lakes, and the dramatic landscape of the Arctic region, Jjmoch offers a unique and authentic experience for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in Sami culture and the wonders of the northern wilderness. Jjmoch is also an excellent base for outdoor enthusiasts. The surrounding wilderness provides endless opportunities for activities such as dog sledding, snowmobiling, and ice fishing during the winter months. In summer, the area is ideal for hiking, fishing, and exploring the untouched beauty of the Arctic landscapes. Jjmoch is not just a destination, it's an invitation to discover the unique cultural heritage and natural wonders of the Arctic. It offers a genuine experience, allowing visitors to connect with the land, the people, and the traditions that have shaped this remarkable corner of the world. Number 9. Uppsala. Uppsala, Sweden's fourth largest city, is a historical and cultural gem located just north of Stockholm. Steeped in tradition and academic excellence, Uppsala is a city that beautifully balances its rich heritage with a vibrant modern atmosphere. Uppsala is also renowned for its prestigious university, Uppsala University, founded in 1477. The university campus, with its historic buildings and picturesque surroundings, adds to the city's academic charm. Visitors can explore the Gustavianum, the university's museum, showcasing unique exhibits, including the Gustavianum Anatomical Theatre, one of Europe's oldest anatomical theaters. Beyond its historical landmarks, Uppsala is a city of gardens and green spaces. The city's beloved botanical gardens, dating back to the 18th century, offer a peaceful retreat with diverse plant collections and beautiful landscapes. Nearby, the Uppsala Castle, a Renaissance palace, offers panoramic views of the city and the surrounding countryside. Number 10. Vaxholm. Vaxholm, often referred to as the capital of the archipelago, is a picturesque island town located in the Stockholm archipelago, just a short boat ride away from the Swedish capital. Known for its charming streets, historic buildings, and scenic waterfront, Vaxholm is a delightful retreat for travelers seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Central to Vaxholm's allure is its enchanting archipelago setting. The town is surrounded by a cluster of islands, each with its own unique character. Visitors can explore the nearby islets, sandy beaches, and rocky shores, creating a perfect backdrop for leisurely walks and boat trips. The archipelago offers excellent opportunities for kayaking, sailing, and fishing, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the calming waters of the Baltic Sea. Vaxholm itself is a postcard-perfect town, characterized by its well-preserved wooden houses, colorful gardens, and narrow alleys. The Vaxholm Fortress, dating back to the 16th century, stands as a prominent landmark on the waterfront. This historic fortress, now a museum, provides insights into Sweden's naval history and offers panoramic views of the archipelago. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our list of the 10 best places to visit in Sweden. From the lively cities to the serene natural wonders, Sweden offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you enchanted. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!